Based on the true historical events of the Igbomina people of northern central Yorubaland in the 12th century, our story unfolds. But before we immerse ourselves in their narrative, let's glimpse the broader world of the 12th century, from the intrigues of medieval Europe to the grandeur of ancient dynasties and rich tapestry of African cultures. Pivotal events unfolded across the world. In Europe, kings clashed with clergy as Henry II of England's reign brought legal reforms and conflict with Archbishop Thomas Becket. Meanwhile, the Capetian dynasty rose in France, and the Holy Roman Empire grappled with papal power struggle amidst the Crusade. The Byzantine Empire faced external threats, while in Asia, the Seljuk Empire clashed with the Byzantines and the Song dynasty flourished in China as advancement in science, technology, and culture takes place. Amidst these events, notable figures emerged, such as Thomas Becket, the Archbishop of Canterbury, who met a tragic end in 1170, and Eleanor of Aquitaine, the intelligent and influential Queen of England, formerly of France. In Africa, new Islamic powers like the Almohad Empire rose, while in Asia, the birth of Genghis Khan marked the beginning of a new era. Across Africa, the Swahili coast saw the rise of vibrant city-states engaged in trade, while in Yorubaland, Ile-Ife holds sway, and other powerful kingdoms like Ila-Orogun, Oyo, and Ijebu thrive, shaping the region's political and cultural landscape. Join us on a journey through time, where the global stage sets the backdrop for the remarkable tale of the Igbomina people. Oba Igbomina, child of the House of Olukotun, child of Ajibowo, heir of the boundless wealth, child of Lagbaye Kankankan, descendants of the ones who once strolled the world like a colossal titan, descendant and legacy of noble ancestors, born to prosper and grace the world with their presence. Omoluabi. The people of Oba Igbomina believes in being virtuous, because a virtuous person, the Yorubas believe, knows how to talk, is respectful, pure in mind, truthful, courageous, is gainfully employed, or a business owner, and is intelligent. The Oba Igbomina people train their children right from infancy to be virtuous. It is right in the heart of Igbomina that Olukotun's dynasty is situated. It is one of the most prominent houses in Oba Igbomina. Baba mi Oronfe, I call on you this morning. Help me to succeed. It is from Olukotun's house that the story titled Obenbe Iminja emanates. It is the story of a wealthy man who was childless.
My husband, my king, why are you not eating?
Look, Doinsola, leave me alone.
Obenbe Iminja, my husband, my king, please eat. It is the inner strength that we use in carrying the one on the outside. Our husband, please eat your food.
Arolake, Morenike, I will eat when it is time.
No, my king. Ṣebí ìwọ lọmọ ọ̀dọ̀fà. Ọ̀dọ̀fà ò sí nílé. Ará òro ò rówó kó. Ìran bàbá yín ní kó ọjọ́ gbogbo kò ní. Ọmọ bó o ṣiṣẹ́ ó lówó. Bó o ṣiṣẹ́ ó lówó. Àmọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ rẹ ó lè dà nímọ̀ owó.
The wealth and prosperity of Oba Igbomina, coupled with Obenbe Iminja's virtue, culminated into him being wealthy and a member of high society. He became the right-hand man to the king of Oba Igbomina. Iginla, make sure that Ajila gets 60 baskets of Ewedu and Ogumola by the end of this week. Also ensure that the others get theirs too. I have heard you, my lord. Even at that, there is still a void in Obenbe Iminja's mind, despite his accumulation of wealth. With the determination to turn his possession beyond ordinary fruits, Obenbe started taking steps to turn his destiny around to what cannot be forgotten in the books of history. With a heart full, Obenbe Iminja finds peace of mind in Ifa Olokun Asoro Dayo. Ifa, the witness of destiny. He who repairs the bad heads. He that does not allow the house of love to spoil. He consults Ifayemi to know, and Ifa told him the prophecy in Ifa Idin Iwori.
Ìdígbàgbà là béèrè, ìwòrì bàbà là gbẹ́fọ̀, adíkàrọ̀ lọ́rùn aládòdó owó, adíkàrọ̀ oṣókálẹ̀, adífá fún olóko jọbí, níjọ́ tí ń lọ rèé báwọn nájà èjìgbọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́kùn, ẹbọ ni kí wọ́n ṣe, ó sì gbẹ́bọ níbẹ̀ ó rúbọ, ǹjẹ́ lólóko jọbí dákun sí lẹ́yìn mi, sí rinrin gúúsì, tó bá yá a ó kọ odò kan àrò, sí rinrin gúúsì, tó bá sì yá a ó kọ odò kan ẹ̀jẹ̀, sí rinrin gúúsì, àpáta tẹ́rẹ̀rẹ̀ ń bẹ lọ́lẹ́dẹ̀ ọ̀run, sí rinrin gúúsì.
With the response given by Ifa, Obenbe realized that given all the wealth in Oba Igbomina, his generation would not share on the blessings.
Ọbàtálá pè ọ́ o, ọba pátápátá nílẹ̀ ìrànjẹ, ajagun, olókun, àjíkíolú, olókun ilẹ̀kẹ̀ wọ́wọ́, èṣù o, láàlú o, lọ́rùnkún ẹjọ́, èṣù ọ̀dàrà, ọlọ́run àgbẹ̀rùsí, àfiṣànṣà abẹ, Yemọja o, ìwọ la pè lónìí o. Ìyàwó ṣàǹkó báwa náà ṣe tàwa o. Ọ̀ṣun o, Ọ̀tà o, Ẹ̀rí o, Àgbá o, Omi o, gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà mẹ́rìndínlógún tó dilé Ifẹ̀ mú. Ẹ wá ṣe tiwa lónìí o.
To turn his fortunes around, Obenbe began a spiritual journey with sacrifices and the direction of Eledua as the mark of the journey. No sooner had Obenbe crossed the land of Oba Igbomina, he encountered the mysterious Apigo bed, which is a sign of good fortune. Obenbe took the bed's steps as a way out into the forest and source of courage as he progresses. As he got to the promised land, Obenbe made signs on the surrounding trees. After this, Obenbe returned to Oba Igbomina to explain all that had happened to Ifayemi. With assurance, trust and direction of Ifa, Obenbe began the process of establishing a new town and building a house for himself and his people. From the effort and determination of Obenbe to start afresh, he suddenly saw fire flashing in the deep forest. This brought him to Imogun, a competent blacksmith from the Ire town who works there.
I greet you o.
Thank you. Well done. These hoes and cutlasses are sharpened very well. Obenbe is interested in Imogun's blacksmithing craft. Hence, he employed Imogun to be his friend because it will favor their stay in the new place. In order to establish his new place of abode, Obenbe sought for blessings from Oloba, the king of Oba Igbomina, and the chiefs in the palace of Oloba. Obenbe promised not to forget his origin even though he is taking a step to establish a new place for himself. My king, my lord, chiefs, I greet you all. Baba wa wariwa, Baale, Odofin, Esinkin, Olukotun, Olukosi, Ajapeno, may your days be long. Olori Anike, Olori Adelanwa, I greet you all. My lord, I want you to bless me as I am going to my new destination.
Obenbe Iminja, I am in full support. The ancestors of Oba Igbomina will go with you. You will not fail. But note, you must not forget Oba Igbomina. The stream that forgets its source will dry up.
Obviously, my lord, I am assuring everyone that I will not forget the land of my fathers. Oba Igbomina is my source. I will never forget Oba Igbomina. Obviously. Now, Obenbe Iminja with his household, along with Imogun and his people, began the construction of their new settlement as an extension of Oba Igbomina. These different clans are joined by the same thought, and they include clans like Ekotun, Odofa, Oniwoye, Balogun, Elerin, Elero, and Awo Eleshu. Though there were difficulties and challenges, they united and formidable like a bunch of broom that can deter flies.
The Yorubas say it is from infancy that the Iroko tree is tamed, or else when it becomes big, it can no longer be handled. The essence of this proverb is to be a person of good character. Being a person of good character starts from the cradle. I want you to know that a well-mannered person knows how to talk, is respectful, pure in mind, truthful, and gentle. He must be bold, be gainfully employed, and must be wise. Let me share a short story with you about the character of a well-mannered person.
It is the Creator that knows tomorrow and what will happen. We are yet to see this rise of the sun, whose name will be written in the history books of Oro Town forever.
Ògiri mọ̀lẹ́gbọ̀n wọ̀nyẹ́ wá gbọ́. Ìṣe wa ni àṣà wa ni ó kájọ lókè kájó lódò.
Ìṣe wa ni.
Kájó lókè kájó lódò.
Ìṣe wa ni.
Ẹkún o ẹkún o Igbomina mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Igbomina mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Òró mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Olùkọ̀tún mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Àwọn ọmọ ọba mọ̀ ń kí yín o. Ìran bàbá wọn ní mọ̀ ń bọ́ sọ sólóyè lọ́rùn níwájú ọba. Káà Kọ̀tún.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Balógun.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Ẹlẹ́rọ̀ ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Ọ̀dọ̀ọ̀fà ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Oníwòye ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Dàda ńlá ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Awo Eléṣù ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Olóòṣà Oko ń kọ́ nílé Eléwòro.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Ẹlẹ́rìn ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Akọ́sílẹ̀ bí àdá ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Ọlọ́ta ló láwo ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Ọlọ́dán nílé Pàánù ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Káà Kánimọ́lé ń kọ́.
Ilé Olúkọ̀tún ní í ṣe.
Agboolé Olúkọ̀tún wá pọ̀ ojúlú bàbá ẹlòmíì lọ. Kò sí bá ó ṣe kọ́ ọmọ Olúkọ̀tún tá ò ní dárúkọ Ṣàngó Olúkòso àyànràn náà. Eégún láti ń yọná lẹ́nu òrìṣà tí ń bológbò lẹ́rù ọkọ ya. Ajísáyé jẹ́jọ́ ọkọ̀ yóò lórógbó. Ṣàngó aláṣọ Ọ̀ṣun o. Sàngìrì làgìrì ọ̀kàkà fi gbẹ́dùn bọ̀. Kájó lódò.
Ìṣe wa ni.
Kájó lókè kájó lódò.
Ìṣe wa ni.
Ẹkún o ẹkún o Igbomina mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Igbomina mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Òró mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Olùkọ̀tún mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Àwọn ọmọ ọba mọ̀ ń kí yín o.
Ẹkún o.
Ọmọ Olúkọ̀tún ti ń bẹ níbi ẹ wá gbóríkì lé bàbá ẹ̀yìn tí ń bá lọ sílé Olúkọ̀tún gbogbo ẹ̀ ló yé mi yékéyéké. Ọba ọmọ ayélé ọmọ ayédọ́gbọ́n o ọmọ ọlọ́ba àbàlà abetí àsọgbẹ́ bí etí àwo abisokoto mẹ́fà nílé aláró ìgbọ́dọ̀ rẹ sọ ṣòkòtò mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ sọnù ọlọ́ba abẹ́dún ọmọ ọdún kan lẹ́dúnkọ́ aṣọ ayédọ́gbọ́n mi ìyá òjálá ọmọ mo jáwé gúngún mo mú tọrẹ mo fò òkùnkùn tayò lọ́ba òkùnkùn lẹ́fín tayò lọ́ba tí méjà mo gbé lẹ́lẹ́sẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ béwé tí ń sẹ́ ọmọ bó ṣiṣẹ́ wà lọ́rọ̀ lọ́ba bọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ wà lọ́rọ̀ lọ́ba ọba ṣiṣẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ rẹ̀ dání mọ́ ọmọ owó jẹ́ ní ọmọ owó jẹ́ ìsinmi adìyẹ funfun ní ìpìlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́ba ọmọ oko níyìn oko lọ́hùn ọmọ odò láàrin oko àbísùnú oko tí ń rere aboko tàparò lápátán wọ́n ní kó wájọ lọ́ba ọgbọ́ ọ̀fọ̀ síjó wọ́n ní ọwájọ lọ́ba ọgbọ́ ọ̀fọ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọ́n ní sọ́lẹ̀ roko fẹ́yẹ jẹ́ abó lérò bàbá yín ló dáko sígbó tí ò jiyàn ẹ̀dùn èyí tó dá sọ́dọ̀ ò jiyàn awo rẹ̀ mẹ́dùn bàbá yín ló dáko sígbèrè àwẹ́rẹ́ oníkomi ó mọ rí n kó lọ díẹ̀. bàbá wọn ló kàkùrọ̀ títí tẹ́ ẹ dẹ́sìn nísàlẹ̀ ọ̀bà. ọmọ kèrègbèjà kèrègbè so kèrègbè dúdú lẹ fi tayò lọ́ba àti yín. kèrègbè dúdú orí ẹ pẹ́ ẹmu funfun ní bẹ nínú rẹ. ọlọ́ba mo bù kan mu mo bù kejì ìkàbà. ọba méjà pajúdà mo bù kan mo bọ́ lọ́tí mu dẹ́gba. méjà ẹ̀kọ́ ọmọ mo yí nínú ẹ̀ mu mo sùn nínú ẹ̀ mu mo fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì ta kèrègbè ẹ̀ mu wá ìlọ́ba. ọmọ àyílá ńlá owó pamọ́ ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ ìlú bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ń bá kájẹ́ tapẹ́yà pẹ́ lẹ́nu tàjántìrì àjàkálẹ̀ lọ́ba ọmọ sẹ̀gbẹ́lẹ́kẹ́ adìyẹ funfun abìnrin àṣà lẹ́sẹ̀ méjèèjì ò bá rìnrìn àṣà kó dẹ́gbẹ́ àtúnẹ̀rẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló bá ọ lára mu ẹrú nígbàdí ọkọ nílé bàbá tó bí yín lọ́mọ ìwọ̀fà á sì gbọ́dẹ̀ẹ̀dẹ̀ ìyàwó kékèké ní gbòdì ọ̀yálà èmi ò tètè jí wọ́n lọ lé gbà tèmi dẹ̀bú dẹ̀rín mo dẹ̀bú mo mú pẹja mo dẹ̀ gèrè sún wọn ní sàlẹ̀ ọba gèrè láńdẹ́sùn wọn lọ́ba àtiwá òṣùpọ̀ mo ní kí í gun ọkọ nílé bàbá tó bí yín lọ́mọ àjèjì ò bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní sàlẹ̀ ọba ògùn kéèkì igun ọ̀yálá bọ́bá gun ọ̀yálá oyin ní tarú wọn pa ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ mọ nígẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ló ọbẹ̀ bàbá àgbà ló pàkẹ́ ló bá lákẹ́ dàrò bàbá yín ló kó tinú ewúrẹ́ jiyàn ọmọ èèè lọ́ba bàbá tó gbọ́ pẹ́rẹ́ fáyálé ó gbẹ̀yìn kúlẹ̀ mọ yodù tó gà tẹ́ bàbá yín ló gbé pólẹ̀ dé sọ̀pọ̀nà ṣetán ò tún jà mọ́ bàbá ń fepo jẹ̀sùn díẹ̀díẹ̀ ọmọ ẹyẹ dúdú ti ń sunmú èèpo ọmọ ọbẹ̀ sẹ́rẹ̀ àfòdẹ̀dẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọkọ̀ bà.